Hello everyone, welcome back to BPO interview tutorials, and today we came up with an interesting video again on the KPIs for the team leaders or else the operations. You can check the playlist. You will find approximately 13 to 14 KPIs with the help of formula and the example that will help in cracking your interview very easily. Check out the playlist. You will find multiple videos on Six Sigma certification, MS Excel dashboards, report, then quality analyst, WFM, trainers, many more videos are there that will surely help you in cracking the interview easily, guys. And don't miss to click on subscribe option. Let's move to today's video, that is on wrap up time in call center. The word itself says wrap up time, which means the things which we will do after disconnecting the call. Those particular time is known as wrap up time. How this will get calculated and what parameters included in this we will see here. So basically, when a call got disconnected post giving the solution to the customer, or might be we have given information to the customer, or might be we will be routing, or like giving a deadline like 24 to 48 hours, whatever it is, post disconnecting the call, we used to do many things. Like in a call center, you guys have seen, you guys have done many things, like you will be doing documentation or the preparing notes what you guys have discussed. You guys will also mention a required screenshots if needed, which were given by the customer. You will also make a note of few things. You will also make a note to a respective team. You will route, you will transfer, you will also highlight to the another team, you will escalate the issue to the another team. Many things you will do, right, post done with the call. And you will also send in feedback email or document whatever discussions you guys have done over the call. Everything you will do. So it doesn't mean that everything you will do, it depends on the process and what they have suggested to you, because wrap up time will be only for like 1 minute to 30 seconds, or might be less than it, because you will get a second call. If the wrap up time if your speed is not good, you will get a second call, and that first call notes and everything remains at a side. So you have to simultaneously work on the call, as well as you have to do the things very fastly there. Now, how the wrap up time will get calculated? It's quite simple. Total handle time minus, it's minus sign here, okay, total handle time minus total hold time and total talk time. So whatever your time took over the call, total handle time, overall timing what you have taken, minus total hold time and total talk time, which you will divide with the total number of customer calls, then you will get a wrap up time, guys. This is a formula for the wrap up time. Now you have to keep in your mind few points. The first one here is, if you want to reduce the wrap up time, make sure you will give solution over the call itself, and few things like might be adding some notes or typing an email which you want to send. Everything you have to do over the call, post listening uh, the things which customer actually told to you. Now we should also require some automation which will help in reducing the wrap up time. Automation in the sense, I'll give you an example. Suppose there is a process wherein they ask, like, you have to type everything, name, email address, the account details and everything about the customer. If we have automation, this all information will come automatically, and you just need to mention the discussions what you guys have done. Such kind of automation is required so that manual entries will get reduced. You can use CRM related tools. Okay, now during the conversation also you can uh, complete the few information, like during the hold, or like if you want to send any PDF to the customer over the email, anything what you want to do, you can do over the during the call as well. Now sharing the link or any procedure in the feedback I already discussed. And if the employee take more time in the wrap up, then there might be a chances, like I already told you, the manual documentation will take more time, you will receive a second call. So everything may occur here, so you have to maintain your wrap up time very sincerely. It will also impact the performance metrics. Might be customer will not get happy, might be your quality score get impacted, you might get a DSAT. Many things may happen here. You have to improve your speed, typing speed as well. If that is good, definitely the wrap up can be done very smoothly and fastly. And few companies, or might be yes, no, they are using speech analytics as well, which means that whatever you guys have done the conversation, automatically it will be converted into text. And for an example, if you're working with a chat process, automatically they will give the summary about the chat what you guys have done. Such kind of tool we have to use, and this will help out. training and coaching required to the employees if their wrap up time is really high, if they are not following the procedure correctly. These all activities you can do in order to improve your wrap up time, guys, in order to reduce your wrap up time and improve the call quality. So this is all about the wrap up time, guys. If you still have any doubt, please share comments in the feedback session, or else you can also like and subscribe the channel. Check out our playlist, you will find many videos, and check out our Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn page, wherein you will be finding multiple information on the upcoming vacancies and all. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day.